Hi there, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some footage that Jack sent us that focuses on the MDV D2 folder. This is our second gen, the more expensive folder, the one that has the glass break on it. The hook pummel is actually spread out so that you can grip it a little bit better from your pocket. The entire thing is D2. It is weighted. It feels heavy in your hand so that it's a positive grip. And then the other thing is that we took the frame lock and we increased the width of it. So we have two parts to this. The first one is Jack breaking some windows on a cars to demonstrate how to do that with the glass breaker. Notice he picks a side of the glass where he can hit, where the bottom of his fist is reinforced on some sort of metal, and then in turn the glass breaker is going to hit. He does not glass break directly in the center. So let's check that out now. So as you can see, glass break works. Just basically you need to make sure that because it does not protrude out as much, that you just angle it so that that is hitting directly on the glass. The second part is more for those that don't like frame locks. They stated that it was weaker in some fashion, so we wanted to do some sort of a pressure check, a test to see how strong that lock was. And as you'll see, Jack is going to stab the car because that's a decent way to figure that out. So let's watch that now. All right, so as you can see, it's not going to collapse in your hand if you stab something hard. I hope you don't attack any transformers or vehicles with your knife. That's not what it's meant for. But if you ever have to do that, then in turn you see that it will still maintain its integrity all the way through that stab. If you are looking for one of these folders, then you can check them out at skallywagtactical.com. Always use the code ELITEU and get 10% off. I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you have any other questions, shoot them down in the comments so that I can make a video on it.